So from this point, you've got your tree. All you want to do is take your sharp, clean tree cutters and cut off the piece of the branch or trunk that you would like to turn into a tree eventually. Then you want to put the bottom of it into the rooting powder, like so, covering the bottom in rooting powder, and then literally you place it into soil, and that is all you have to do. It's as simple as that. It's really nice and easy. The rooting powder is absolutely fantastic. It literally works like a dream in the soil. It'll produce roots like this, and then you'll end up with a cut like this.
Good job!